So we're gonna make a flower with 6 petals. We have total 4 rounds. Round 1 with single crochet, round 2 double crochet, round 3 with slip stitch to make a circle here, and round 4 with petals. And firstly, we make a magic ring. Put the yarn on your hand and make an S here, and turn back and put the hook under the first yarn and under the second yarn and pull it through and twist a loop here and put the hook under this yarn and pull it through. This is how we make a magic ring. And from here we're gonna make single crochet into the magic ring. The number is 18 single crochet. And you put the hook under the yarn, pull it through. Okay, pull through the yarn, put the hook and pull it through the yarn. This is how we make a single crochet. And remember, we have total 18 single crochet inside the magic ring. This is the first stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We make total 10 more to finish 18 single crochet. Now we little bit adjust the inside to make sure it's equally. And now hold this yarn and pull it close. We have a circle here, and then we close the first round. Here for the first stick here, you see the 2 loops, and you put the yarn under the 2 loops here to close the round 1. Okay, yarn over and pull it through 2 loops and pull it through one more time. And for the second round, from here we're gonna chain 2 and yarn over. Now we make double crochet. This one gonna make a first stick here at the same place of the 2 chain, and you put the hook under the 2 loop, yarn over and pull it through, yarn over, pull it through 2 loop, yarn over and pull it through 2 loop. And this is gonna be the first stick here, and you can use the marker to mark it. This is the first stick. Okay, and then we're gonna make a double crochet in each stick until the last one. The total is 18 double crochet, yarn over, and then you put the hook under the 2 loop here, yarn over and pull it through, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull it through. This is the double crochet stick. and then you continue to make double crochet into the following stick. And I see you at the end of the stick. And we have the total 18 stick here. Now we close the round 2 at the stick of the marker we marked before, and put the yarn under 2 loops, yarn over and pull it through and pull it through. This is called the slip stick. And now the round 3, we're gonna make slip stick around this circle. Okay, so round 2, put the hook under the 2 loops, yarn over and pull it through as well. Okay, so it's easy to, we see the first stick here, and use the marker again to mark the first one in case we're gonna miss this when we crochet. Okay, so continue for the following stick by the slip stick. This is the last stick. Okay, when you finish the round 3, you're gonna see a circle of the slip stick here. And from here, for the next round, it's a little bit trick here. So to make it a full circle, I'm gonna insert the hook at the back of the pattern, and then I'm gonna pull the yarn through this. Okay, you see it? I put the hook from the back and insert it through again here. Okay, to make sure it have the full circle. Okay, and then continue for the round 4. And from here, you're gonna chain 1, and it's gonna start it from the 2 loop of the round 2, the double crochet here. You're gonna see it different, right? I did the top. Okay, so now insert the hook under the first stick here and pull it through and make single crochet. And for the next stick, we're gonna make 1 double crochet, okay, and 3 treble crochet into the same stick here to make a petal of the flowers. Okay, this is the treble crochet. Pull it through 2 more times with the treble crochet into the same stick. Yarn over and pull it through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loop, yarn over and pull it through. One more. Pull the yarn 2 times. Okay, and then 1 double crochet stick. It means with 1 petal we're gonna have 1 single crochet in the first stick, and the next one is 1 double crochet and 3 treble crochet and 1 double crochet, and the next stick gonna be single crochet Okay, this is the first petal, and for the next one petal is 3 sticks, and we make 1 single crochet in the first stick and 1 double crochet and 3 treble crochet and 1 double crochet in the same stick. Okay, one double crochet and single crochet. Okay, I'm gonna show you one petal is gonna be 3 sticks. The first one is 1 single crochet, and the second one with 5 sticks, 1 double crochet, 3 treble crochet, 1 double crochet, and the next one is close the petal with 1 single crochet. So you continue until you reach the first petal here. Okay, I'm gonna see you at the end. And for the last petal, the last sticks is gonna be the single crochet. If you count the right stick, it's gonna be, we have the total 6 petals of the flowers. Okay, and then leave the yarn a little bit longer. We're gonna sew it inside. Then this is the flower we finished this. Okay, we have total 6 petals, and use the scissors cut the yarn.